What if you could retire a millionaire? What if everything you've been taught about wealth was wrong? Dave Ramsey says the path to financial freedom is not about getting lucky. It's not about crypto, side hustles, or hitting it big on the stock market. It's about discipline, intentional habits, and starting early. If you're in your teens, 20s, or even early 30s, this video is your wake-up call. Because the habits you build now could either make you rich or keep you broke for life. In this 20-minute deep dive, we'll break down Dave Ramsey's core advice for young people who want to build lasting wealth without shortcuts. So grab a notebook because your journey to financial freedom starts right now. Live like no one else. Dave Ramsey's most famous quote is this: "If you will live like no one else now, later you can live like no one else." Translation: sacrifice today for freedom tomorrow. Most young adults blow their paycheck the moment it hits their account on Uber Eats, phone upgrades, Amazon deals, or overpriced rent. Ramsey says, don't live below your means. Cut back aggressively. You don't need a luxury apartment or a brand new iPhone. You need margin, because wealth isn't about how much you make. It's about how much you keep. Debt, the wealth killer. Debt is a trap. Ramsey doesn't sugarcoat it. He calls credit cards a product designed to make banks rich, not you. Young people are sold a lie. That debt is normal. That a student loan, a car loan, and a credit card are just part of life. No debt delays wealth. It steals your future income. Instead of paying interest, Ramsey says, earn it. Step 1, get out of debt. Step 2, stay out for life. The emergency fund. Life will hit you when you least expect it. A flat tire, a dental bill, a job loss. It only takes one emergency to wreck your finances if you're not prepared. That's why Ramsey's first baby step is this: save $1,000 in cash, fast. It's your financial airbag. Not only does this protect you, it builds momentum. Once you prove to yourself you can save $1,000, you start believing in your ability to build wealth. The debt snowball method. If you've got multiple debts, don't try to pay them all at once randomly. Use what Ramsey calls the debt snowball method. 1. List your debts from smallest to largest. 2. Pay minimums on everything except the smallest. 3. Attack the smallest with everything you've got. 4. When it's gone, move to the next. Psychologically, this works. Every small win builds confidence. You're no longer overwhelmed. You're on fire. Budgeting. Tell your money where to go. Most people have no idea where their money goes. Ramsey says, a budget isn't a cage. It's permission to spend on what matters. Before every month begins, write a zero-based budget. That means every dollar has a job: saving, giving, spending, investing. Young adults who learn to budget early build wealth faster than those who don't. Why? Because they're intentional. Money that isn't managed disappears. Start investing ASAP. Want to retire rich? Don't wait until your 30s or 40s to invest. Ramsey says, if you start investing just $200/month at age 20 into a simple mutual fund with an average 10% return, you could retire with over $1.1 million. But if you wait until 30, you'd have to double that to reach the same number. Time is your superpower. The earlier you start, the less you need to invest. Ramsey recommends starting with Roth IRA, 401k with employer match, mutual funds over crypto or stocks. Don't try to beat the market. Just be consistent and let compound interest do the heavy lifting. Build a wealthy mindset. True wealth isn't just about money, it's about mindset. Dave teaches 5 key mindset shifts. 1. Avoid comparison. Stop trying to look rich. 2. Be content. Gratitude kills greed. 3. Take personal responsibility. You are not a victim. 4. Be generous. Give even while building wealth. 5. Think long term. Don't trade 10 minutes of pleasure for 10 years of regret. Rich people think in decades. Broke people think in weekends. Train your mind to see money as a tool, not an identity. Final advice and action steps. So what should you do right now if you're serious about building wealth? Here's Dave Ramsey's 7-step action plan for young adults. 1. Save $1,000 emergency fund. 2. Pay off all debt using the debt snowball. 3. Save 3 to 6 months of expenses. 4. Invest 15% of your income. 5. Build wealth and give. 6. Pay off your home early if you own. 7. Live and give like no one else. It's not flashy. It's not trendy. But it works. Dave Ramsey built his fortune teaching ordinary people how to win with money using simple, time-tested principles. And now, it's your turn. Start now. Start small. And don't stop. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more no-nonsense financial wisdom. Comment below. What's the #1 thing you'll start doing today to get rich?